Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 5.1 in that question number 1, that first portion. This is a chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progression is a series of number separated by comma, and each number in that series is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, which is called arithmetic progression. The general expression of AP is nothing but here A1 comma A1 plus D comma A1 plus 2D comma A1 plus 3D, like this. A1 is the starting number, this is the starting number. Here this D is a common difference, D is called as a common difference. So this common difference, if it is added to the preceding term, that is the preceding term, at this point the preceding term is A1. If we add a common difference, that is D, to this A1, this will become the next number. So that is A1 plus D. So here if you want this number, for this number you have to add the common difference. That is, for this number A1 plus D, you have to add one more D. So that A1 plus 2D. So this can be best understood by solving these examples. Okay. So here we will solve this first one. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. We have to analyze the situation and observe that whether this series of number are having arithmetic progression or not. That is the question. So here the taxi fare for each kilometer, that is when, that is rupees 15 for the first kilometer, means the taxi fare for 1 kilometer, how much it is? As per his data, it is rupees 15. Okay. Now the taxi fare for 2 kilometers, how much it is? Rupees 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23 rupees. Okay. This is in rupees. Here rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. And in the same way, taxi fare for 3 kilometers, how much it is? 23 rupees plus 8 rupees, which is equal to 31. Okay. Like this the series is going on. So 4 kilometer, it will be 31 plus 8, so which is equal to 39 rupees. So here you observe this series, that is 15, 23, 31 and 39. Like this, if you observe this series, see first term it is 15 only. So the second term, how you have got? You have got this one by adding 8 rupees. So 23 rupees. Okay. So now again the same 8 rupees is go on adding here 8 and again here 8. One common number is added to the preceding term so that you will get a new number. If you want to get a new number here, what you have to do? You have to add the same common number here. So here it will be 47. Like this the series going on. So hence the common difference will be same for all the terms. So this type of series is called as arithmetic progressions. These are called as arithmetic progression. So hence, as per the problem, this one is in AP. Okay, this is in AP. So we will go for next one. So here the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Some volume of air is present in a cylinder. Let us assume air present in the cylinder 16 liters. Anything you can assume. So 16 liter means for the first instant, for the first case, so 1/4 of the 16 liter was removed. Means 1/4 of the 16 means 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 4 liters of air is removed. Air removed. Okay. So 4 liters of air removed means whatever present 16 minus 4, so 12 liter will be remained. 12 liters will be remain. So 1 is 12. First instant 12 liters is remaining. So second instant 1/4 of the 12 liters again it is removing. 4 threes are. So 3 liters it will be removed. So 3 liters will be removed means whatever present in the 12 minus 3, it will be equal to 9 liters. So next one will be 9 liters. So third one, so 9 liter is present means 1/4 of the 9 liter. So here is equal to 9 by 4 liters. 9 by 4 liters means 9 minus 9 by 4, which is equal to, see here, LCM. 4, 36 minus 9 is equal to 27 by 4. So 27 by 4 liter is there. So it is approximately what? Approximately what it is? 6.7. 6.7 liters. Just approximately. This is third one. 6.7 liters. You observe here, initially how much it is? 16 liters. So the series is 16, 12, 9 and 6.7. So in this way the series is there. So to check whether it is in AP, so second term minus first term, that should be equal to third term minus second term, like this. So here 12 minus 16 is equal to minus 4. And here 9 minus 12, it is what? Minus 3. Okay. 6.7 minus 9, which is equal to 2.3. See here, these are minus 3.3. These are different. But here, as per the AP, this common difference, that is common difference, should be same. That is common difference should be same. But here it is not same. So hence, this is not in AP. This is not in AP. Okay, we will go for next one. So here, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meters. Okay. So now here the cost of digging first meter, it is equal to 150 rupees, and cost of digging second meter, it is equal to 150 plus here 50 rupees it is increasing for every 1 meter. So it is equal to 200. So cost of third meter is equal to 200 plus 50. So which is equal to 250. So in the same way, fourth meter. Okay. So 250 plus 50, which is equal to 300. So the series is 150, 200, 250, 300, like this. Okay. So here, whether these are in AP or not, that we have to check, means the common difference should be same here. That is second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, like this. Second term minus first term means 200 minus 150, it is equal to 50. And here third term minus second term, 250 minus 200, it is 50. So third term 300 minus 250, which is equal to 50. So here 50 is the difference, 50, it is same. Difference is same means the common difference is same means it is in AP. Okay. So this is AP. So we will go for next one. Question number 1 in that fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at 8% per annum. Okay. So here 10,000 rupees is rupees 10,000 is deposited. Okay. Deposited in a bank. So series, the first number in the series will be 10,000. Okay. So here by depositing this one, after the first year, yeah, as per 8%, how much it will be? This is in compound interest, means this is equal to, that is the formula is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of N, where N is the term, R is the rate of interest, P is the principal. So here for the first year, so the amount will be, P means principal, that is 10,000. Here 1 plus rate of interest will be 8 divided by 100. So to the power of 1, because this is the first term. So this amount we will calculate. Here this is, so this is equal to 10,800. So second number in the series will be 10,800. So now second year, for the second year, this will be 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power of 2, which is equal to 11664. So third number 11664. Okay. And for the third year, this is equal to 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power of 3, which is equal to here 12597. Okay. So this is 12597. This is the series we obtained after calculating the compound interest at the rate of 8%. So now we will check whether this is in AP or not. So to check that one, same common difference we have to find out. That is 10,800 minus 10,000, which is equal to, that is 10,800 minus 10,000 is equal to 800. So here 11664 minus 10,800. So you calculate this one. So here 864 is coming. So now 12597 minus 11664. This is equal to 933. You observe this one. This difference amount, it is not same. Common difference is not same. It is not same. Hence this is not AP. So we'll go for next question. So here exercise 5.1 question number 2. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are as follows. Here A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Okay, this is A. So we know that the AP series is A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, like this. Okay, so here first 4 terms we have to write, means A1, A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D and A1 plus 3D, like this we have to write. So here A1 means that is A, because the first term will be, it is called as A1 or A. So this will be 10, and A1 plus D means we have to add 10 to each this one. So this will be 20 and this will be 30, because for 20 we are adding one more D, 30, and this is 40, like this. So we have to go on add common difference to the first term so that we will get the series. And if you want to verify whether it is in AP or not, we have to calculate the common difference, means second term minus first term, that should be equal to the third term with the second term, means whatever the term it is there, that term you have to subtract with the previous term, so that the common difference whatever you are getting, so that should be same along the series. Hence it is called arithmetic progression. So second one, A is equal to minus 2, means the first term is minus 2, that is A1 is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0, common difference will be 0. So here such cases, see first term will be minus 2 only, and if you next term you have to add D, means minus 2 plus 0 will be, again it will be minus 2 and again minus 2, so minus 2. So this will be, if you want to calculate this D, this minus this will be, again it will be 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 0. So A1 equal to minus 2, D equal to 0 means it will be same along the series, that is minus 2 only. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. Okay, so here the first term will be 4, so the next term will be, you have to add this to this common difference. 4 plus of minus 3 means 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So now this 1 plus 3 means 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So here minus 2 minus 3, this is minus 5. So like this 4 terms we have to write. If you want to check this one, you can see here 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3, minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3, minus 5 minus of minus 2, here minus 5 minus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3. See here you observe this common difference is same along the series, so hence it is in AP, and also we have checked, and also this is correct. And then fourth one, A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. So here A is equal to minus 1, the first number will be minus 1 only. So here we have to go on add this common difference, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to LCM, you can take A2, this is minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here this is minus 1 by 2, and now for this minus 1 by 2 we have to add this plus 1 by 2, so means this will be 0, and then we have to add 1 by 2. So here after minus 1 by 2, after that again if you add 1 by 2 it will become 1, but he has asked only 4 terms, so he has asked only 4 terms. This is fifth term. Okay, this is common, this is an AP. So now next one, fifth one, A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. Okay, the first term will be minus 1.25 and the second term will be minus 1.25, and here plus this one means it is minus, so 0.25. Okay, 10, this is 5, this is minus 1, this will be minus 1.5, because you see for this you have to add this one, so minus 1.25 plus of minus 1.25, this one, so minus 1.5 plus of minus 0.25. Okay, this is 5, 7, minus 1.75. This is minus 1.75. So minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. This is minus 0.25. 10, 3, 0, 2. So this is minus 2. So these are the 4 terms. Okay, we will go for next one. So here exercise 5.1, in that question number 3, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. The first term is, we will take this first example. So here this is the series he has given 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. The first term will be, as per this one, this is A1 equal to 3. This is first term. This is first term. This is A1 or A, whatever you can call. So the first term will be 3 only. And D can be calculated, this one, the second term minus the first term. So D is equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. We can verify here, D is equal to next term, minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is common difference. So this is the first one. So second one, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. The first one term will be A1 is equal to minus 5. Okay, D is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5. Here minus 1 plus 5. Here this is equal to 4. And you can verify here, D is equal to 3 minus of minus 1. So this is equal to 4. So D is equal to 4 and A is equal to minus 5. This is third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. As he has already mentioned that this is in AP, so no need to verify all the terms for common difference. So here the first term will be, that is A1 is equal to 1 by 3 and common difference will be 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So which is equal to 3, 5 minus 1. So D is equal to 4 divided by 3. So this is the common difference. Then fourth one. So 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. So here first term is A1 is equal to 0.6 and common difference is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. Okay, here 1.1. So if you want to verify, you can check 2.8 minus 1.7. So this is also equal to 1.1. So here A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.1. So we will go for next one. So here exercise 5.1, in that question number 4, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, then we have to find out D and 3 more terms. Okay, first whether AP or not, then if AP, find D and 3 more terms. So first question we will take 2, 4, 8 and 16. So to check whether this is in AP or not, so we have to calculate the common difference. So that is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. And here 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8. See here, these are not same. Common difference, not same. Hence not AP. This is not an AP. Okay. So we will go for second one. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So now here, to check whether it is in AP or not, we have to find out the common difference. D is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2, which is equal to 2, 5 minus 2 2s are 4. Here it is equal to 1 by 2. So now next 3 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 2, here 1, 2 3 just 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. So now here 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 2, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So here common difference is same. D is same, hence it is in AP. So if it is in AP, we have to find out the D. D we have calculated here already. So D is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So now if it is in AP, we have to calculate 3 more terms. 3 more terms means we have to go and add this D. Okay, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2, and 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. Then 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2. So this is 5 actually, this is 4. Okay, so here next term will be 4, 9 by 2, 5, like this. Okay, so we will go for next one, that is third question. So here third one we will solve. Here minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7. To find out whether it is in AP or not, second term minus first term, that is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So is equal to minus 2. And in the same way, minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, which is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Again it is equal to minus 2. So minus 9.2 minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2 is equal to minus 7.2 plus 5.2, which is equal to minus 2. See here D is same and it is AP. So if it is AP, we have to calculate 3 more terms. That is, to calculate 3 more terms, we have to go and add D to the last term. That is minus 7.2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 9.2. And minus 9.2 plus minus 2, this is minus 2 is the D. Okay, this is minus 11.2. Minus 11.2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 13.2. So this is the solution. So this was fourth one, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So we have to find out this difference, minus 6 minus of minus 10. Okay, this is equal to minus 6 plus 10, which is equal to 4. So here minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 4. Okay, this one 2 minus of minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. See here the common difference, this is same, D is same means it is in AP. Okay, so if it is in AP, find out the D means D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4, and we have to find out the 3 more terms here, 3 terms. So for getting 3 more terms, we have to go and add this D, common difference. That is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. So here 2, 6, 10 and 14. Okay, next one. So here fifth portion, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So we have to find out the difference here, this. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3, which is equal to 3 cancel, which is equal to root 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Okay, because minus of 3 plus root 2, that will be minus 3 minus root 2. So here minus 3 plus 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2. So there are 2 root 2's are there, in that 1 root 2 will be subtracted, remaining will be root 2 only. So again 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of 3 minus 2 root 2, which is equal to 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it is equal to root 2 only. So D is equal to root 2 and it is same and it is AP. Okay, so if it is AP, we have to write 3 more terms, 1, 2, 3. So here we have to go and add this root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. So for 3 plus 4 root 2, you have to add root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. So for 3 plus 5 root 2, you have to go and add root 2. So which is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the terms. This is 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. So now we'll go for sixth portion. Here 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So here this minus this will see 0.22, 0.2. This is minus. Okay, 0.22. This is 2, 0, this. And here next one 0.222, 0.220 here. So here 0.002. Okay. So here the difference is not same. So 0.2222, 0.222, here 0. So 2, 0, 0, 0, 0.0. So this is also not same. So D is not same. Okay. Hence it is not AP. So you will go for seventh one. So here 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. So here common difference is equal to minus 4 minus of 0 is equal to minus 4. So again here minus 8 minus of minus 4, which is equal to minus 8 plus 4, which is equal to minus 4. So D again is equal to minus 12 minus of minus 8, which is equal to minus 12 plus 8 equal to minus 4. So D is equal to minus 4 and it is AP. And if it is AP, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms we have to find out. So for this, what is the last term? Minus 12. Minus 12 plus of minus 4, which is equal to minus 16. Okay, this is next term. And here minus 16 plus of minus 4, which is equal to minus 20. And minus 20 plus of minus 4, which is equal to minus 24. So minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. These are the terms. So now we will go for this eighth one. Here minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 again. So again minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So here all the terms are same. So here minus 1 by 2 means first we will calculate common difference. Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to 0. Because see, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is equal to 0. So again next D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of again minus 1 by 2. So it is all 0 only. So hence the common difference will be same, means it is in AP. It is AP. So now if it is AP, we have to write 3 more terms. So here we have to go on add zeros. So zeros adding means this is minus 1 by 2, again minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, we will go for next one. So here exercise 5.1 in that question number 4, ninth portion, here 1, 3, 9 and 27 is there. So ninth one, so 3 minus 1, it is equal to 2. So 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. 27 minus 9, which is equal to 18. So here the D is not same. So it is not AP. Okay. So next 10th one. Here A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So here 2A minus A, 2A minus A, which is equal to A. 3A minus A equal to A. Okay. This is same. So hence D is same, means it is AP. So next term will be, go on add this A. 4A plus A, 5A, 6A, 7A. Okay, that's all. Then 11th one. Here this one. A square, A cube and A fourth. So here D is equal to A square minus A. Okay, this one. This cannot be simplified. Here A into A minus 1, that's all. So D is equal to A cube minus A square. So here A into A square into A minus 1. Okay. So this is not same. D is not same. Hence it is not AP. Okay. So now 12th one. Root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Here D is equal to root 8 minus root 2. So how to calculate this one? Here this 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Okay, minus root 2. This root 4 will be 2, which is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, and it is equal to root 2. Okay, because see, 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So square root of 4 I have taken outside, that is square root of 4 is nothing but 2. So root 2 is only remaining here. So 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be root 2. So now we will see this one, root 18, that is root 18 minus root 8. Here root 18 can be written as root 9 into 2, okay, minus root 4 into 2. This is 4 into 2. So root 9 can be taken outside, that is 3 root 2. Here minus root 4 can be taken as 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be root 2. So here d is same, d is equal to root 2. So hence it is in AP, it is AP. So if it is AP, we have to go on write 3 terms. Okay, so root 32 plus root 2, which is equal to, see, root 32 can be written as 8 into 4 or 4 into 8. We can write as root 4 into 2. So a root 4 can be written as root 2 into 2, that is 4 root 2. Okay, this is 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2, written as 5 root 2, or otherwise root 50 also we can write. Because 5 if you go inside, it will become 5 5 is 25. 25 into 2, 50. So this can be written as root 50. So in the same way, so here next root 50 plus root 2. So root 50 can be written as 5 root 2. Okay, this is 5 root 2 plus root 2 means this is equal to 6 root 2. So 6 can be taken inside means 36. 36 into 2, 72. This is root 72. So root 72 plus root 2. This is root 72 will be 6 root 2 plus root 2. This is 7 root 2. So which is equal to 7 7 49. 49 into 2, that is 98. Okay, root 98. Root 72, root 98, and this is root 50. So these are the 3 terms. Root 50, then root 72, then root 98. Okay, we'll go for next one. So here 13th one, root 3, root 6, root 9, and root 12. So root 6 minus root 3, d is equal to root 6 minus root 3. This is not simplified. This cannot be simplified further. So here one more term, root 9 minus root 6. Okay, this also cannot be simplified. So d is not same here. Okay, hence it is not AP. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, then 7 square. So 1 square means 1, 3 3 is 9, 25, 49. Okay, so 9 minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, d is equal to, this is 8. So d is equal to 25 minus 9. Okay, 25 minus 9 means 16. Okay, so d is equal to again 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. So here d is not same. So hence it is not AP. So next 15th, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, then 73. So here 1 square means 1, 5 square means 25, this is 49, this is 73. Okay, 25 minus 1, that is d is equal to, it is equal to 24. So d is equal to 49 minus 25. Okay, this is 24. And d is equal to again 73 minus 49. This is also 24. So this is, d is same. So it is AP. So if it is AP, we have to find out 3 more terms. So 73 plus 24, which is equal to 7, 9. And 97 plus 24. Okay. So this is equal to 121. Okay. So now 121 plus 24 is equal to 145. So here 97, 121, 145. Okay. Thank you.